This is my old Dominion 2-speed box fan. This one is rated at 1.7 amps, and it is a shaded pull motor. That's pretty low for a shaded pull motor of this size. Let's see if we can see the sticker. It's kind of dark over here. There you go. 1.7 amps, 125 watts. It is a model 2074. Turn it around. This is a Macmillan motor. Usually you would expect to see the oil ports in that area, but on these, or on this older style one, it's up there. And then there's one in the front too. So I will start it up. The cord comes out at the top on the side on this one. It's kind of unique. And here's the speed selector. Starts on high. Alright, I had to enlist the help of the Super Electric box fan because it was too uneven sitting on top of that GE with the handle in the middle. So here we go up to high. Right where it should be. Just remember it's rated at 1.7, and it's got holes on the side for a stand. It takes a while to come up to speed because this is kind of a low-powered motor. It's like, again, it's only 1.7 amps, which isn't much for a shaded pull motor of this size, but it's very powerful. There's a lot of air. Oh, it's off. Hang on a second. I want it to go to low. And there's low. It's very well balanced. Doesn't shake at all. And it's really quiet too, considering how fast it's still running on low. And I'm not going to film the spin down time because this thing takes forever to come to a stop, so I'm going to just wait for it to stop and then maybe do some startup sounds and then the amp draw. Alright, here's startup sounds. Alright, here's high. Okay, and that's it for the Dominion box fan. Thanks for watching.